already with me because my mum said that I can't go out looking like this. Like what? You look like a dying ray. The first thing, I have to take down my hair. My bun's have to go. My bun. It's snatching my bun. I don't think that worked very well. My hair is down. Now we have to like clip my hair back. I always do my makeup. I never do my hair. No, I do my own hair. But I never do it like this. But I have to like clip it back so I don't like get everything in my hair. So first, my mom told me to take all of these and like put some water on it because she's got a makeup remover, and I need to like wipe this off. What happened to my eyebrow? My red eyebrows are so much more thick than these. He looked like a caterpillar. My mom said I look presentable now. What is that supposed to mean? Now I have to moisturize because my skin is, I don't know. Now I have to take down my hair. I mean, not take it down, but I have to brush my hair because my mum said that it is ratchet. 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 She said my hair looks ratchet. It sounded like I said something else, so I want